Hi, welcome to OSC Garment Factory. Here at OSC Garment Factory, we mass produce t-shirts, polos, uniforms, and we also engage in contract manufacturing of your unique designs. And today, we are mass producing lemon green round neck t-shirts. As we go through the manufacturing process, I'll be sharing with you 3 fun facts about the color green. Fun fact number 1. Green is the second most popular favorite color, with blue being the first. Yes, for every person that doesn't pick blue as their favorite color, they are most likely going to pick green. You guessed right. So as you can see, here at OSC Garment Factory, we engage in division of labor. Each of our sewing machine operator has a particular task that they perform in making of the t-shirts. This is what makes our sewing process efficient, effective, and fast, and that's why we can deliver on time to you when you place your order. Fun fact number 2. Nigerian flag has green in it. Yes, the Nigerian flag is green, white, green. And back to our production process. Right now we are at the quality control section. This is the section where we ensure that each piece of our production meets global standard, so that when you get it, you will be satisfied, and so will your customers and clients be satisfied as well. On now to fun fact number 3. Green color signifies nature, life, youth, safety, and hope. Just thinking of nature, you will see the incredible variety of shades of green. Whatever your preferred shade, one thing is sure is that you can never go wrong with the color green.